Hello, my name is Kenton. I work here at the Conestoga Career Centre, Stratford, and I'm on a job placement. I became very passionate about this role because I was a client at the Career Centre. I am somebody that has experienced poverty through the course of chasing my dream recklessly, and I have learned how to pursue goals and how empowering it can be. After graduating from Conestoga College, I opened up my drum manufacturing shop in 2007. And I started selling them overseas and down south in the States. I took my business to Nashville, Tennessee, where I had previous connections and networks. I was traveling with bands like Steven Tyler, Jason Aldean, Chase Rice. We were traveling all over the country, down south, up here in Canada, and my drums made a bit of a splash in the industry. When COVID hit, the Nashville music scene took a hit, and I found it incredibly hard. I just spent my whole life achieving these goals, and I was finally getting into it, and all of a sudden, nothing. I didn't know what to do. So I entered Conestoga Career Centre, Stratford, through a friend. It made me see how my skills in drumming and music applied to career counseling. And so I realized I was good at accomplishing goals and strategically chasing dreams. And that applies to every client that we work with. So my motivation and my purpose in this role is to produce self-agency in people and give people the self-confidence to stand up and reach their full potential. If it can change my life, it can change anybody's life.